bad, y'all. My shit's a mess right now. Hold up. Let's fix everything. So, my Juice WRLD shirt arrived in my Vlone. And it's weird because right now it's 9:30 and I'm like, I would have been here earlier because my brother-in-law's shoes got here. And right now it's 9:30, so I run outside, make sure it's there, and it's not. I look inside my mailbox and it was there. So, thank God for that. But, let's unbox it. Waiting on this for a while. Vlone, baby. My first Vlone tee. I was going to get the Juice WRLD tee, the Pop Smoke tees, and yeah, that's it. Sold out real quick. There's no like an opening. I don't just want to rip it, you know. I got Juice WRLD right here. Alright, fuck it. This hurts doing good. I thought I'd unbox it. I don't want to try it on, you know, because right now I'm fucking musty. I fell asleep during the day. So I'm not gonna try it on. And I got an L, which should fit like an M, which is bad because I thought it was gonna fit like an L. I don't know, it's pretty big. Oh, hell no, this shit fits. Yeah, this is an L. So, that's the front. This is the back of Vlone. I wouldn't be doing the justice if I didn't try it on. So, give me a second. Juice WRLD. I like it. Comfortable. Fits like an L. No, it fits like an M, you know, but this is the shirt. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.